This is Marycele, a candle warmer lamp, which I received free to try. Let's see what's inside the box and try the lamp. It also comes with two lamps. This candle warmer lamp offers adjustable brightness setting and a built-in timer with options for 2, 4, and 8-hour operation, allowing for customized ambiance and control over candle melting speed. You can move the lampshade up and down to accommodate various jars and candle sizes, ensuring perfect fit every time, and it makes it suitable for use in any room of your home. What drew me to this design is the metal lampshade